Yeah, guys, so welcome to Daily Crypto Paul, and I'm super excited that you are here with me. I mean, if you are new here, basically, here we provide you with daily news on cryptocurrencies, and we also look at some technicals for the Bitcoin. Because once you know what Bitcoin is going to do, you have an idea of what your altcoins are going to do. And today is very, quite interesting, very nice, and we will see some amazing news we have. Then we'll see what the Bitcoin is doing. So without wasting much time, let's go to the news. Let's go to the charts. Let's dive in. Yeah, so alright guys, as always we start with CoinDesk, and from CoinDesk we can see we have some kind of things. I mean, we have some news around NFTs. NFTs first of all, then we have a very of course obvious one, that Bitcoin falters at 50k. Okay, Bitcoin touched 50k and quickly we saw some retracement. Okay, so a lot of other news, many news. I mean all of this. Then, of course, a lot of CryptoPunk sales has been going on now. I mean, it's crazy. CryptoPunks, Visa bought some CryptoPunks, and you can already see a lot of people are just rushing in to kill themselves with CryptoPunks. So I think those are the major things from CoinDesk. And from Cointelegraph, basically what we have here, Australia lost over $25 million to bogus crypto investments. Okay, I mean people in Australia on their investment. I mean the loss of about $25 million. I don't think this is talking about the country, of course. It's talking about the people who invest in cryptocurrencies there. So they estimated that the total loss is about $25 million. Okay. Then they said Bitcoin transactions stay low despite price rally. Okay, that means transactions of Bitcoin is quite low, or even though the prices are going up. So basically, what does it mean? It means retracement is most likely possible. Okay, then a lot of other things, and of course, Cardano is $3, but a fractal chart is hinting that there could be a 40% correction on Cardano. Although I've not really seen this, I didn't really see this in the chart anyway, but it's quite possible. Okay, quite possible, because these people are very smart people, and of course they have the way they do their things also. Then of course the economy whole thing, I mean US home of course is rising faster. This is more on the economic side, and of course, and the beautiful thing about it is that with all these things going up, people are really beginning to diversify their portfolios, and the rest, people are getting some more profits. People are buying cryptocurrencies. Then Lamborghini, they are planning to launch their own NFT collection. Okay, so I think they said Elysium Bridge, Ferruccio Lamborghini Museum, the Museum of Lamborghini will launch their NFT collections. And I mean, NFTs are changing everything. Visa has started doing that, of course. So it's gonna be very crazy. It's gonna be very crazy. Then okay, these are just a lot of some other stuff. Yeah, I think that's the major thing from Bitcoin.com. I'm just trying to pick the very crucial news. Okay, cryptonews.com. Let's see. Crypto.com news. Of course, Crypto.com news is saying that a coin run could be brewing in South Korea. Okay, so basically, what it's trying to say is that in South Korea, a lot of exchanges are closing down. Exchanges are being shut down. Therefore, he's saying that because of this, in some days to come, price of crypto might really go down. They are saying South Korea, but of course, we know crypto is a universal thing, kind of. So there's no way crypto in South Korea will go down and the one in the other place will not go down. So these people are really speculating because of exchanges are closing down in that region. So it might really affect price of cryptocurrencies. Who knows? Then Kraken donates to the Ethereum Foundation. Very good news. Ethereum is doing so much. Then someone says Cryptoverse Visa may become front end for, of course, Ethereum, because NFT sales have exploded like we have never seen, with Visa buying CryptoPunk and displaying it. I mean, I wish I could show you that picture. They started displaying it in public. I wish I have it here. It's not here. They displayed it in public in their building, so it's really nice. They displayed it, and it's amazing. Okay, so NFTs are really exploding now. Then this is another interesting one, that older Bitcoin is being spent as price climbs. So as price of Bitcoin is going up, as in I touched 50k, we discovered that some very old Bitcoin that has never really been moved has now been moved. But of course, a very small amount, and it's not enough to kill the market, but it has been moved. Okay, whatever these people moved it to do, we don't know, but it has been moved. Then very interesting, MicroStrategy spends another $177 million on Bitcoin. Mikey Saylor is buying more Bitcoin. Amazing. And people are buying more Bitcoin, companies are buying more Bitcoin. Really, from long term perspective, just buy Bitcoin and sleep. Buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. Alright guys, so that's it on the news for today. Okay, let's check the Daily Odo. Let's see if Daily Odo has anything interesting for us. Daily Odu. Okay, talking about what Coinbase did, of course, you know this whole lawmaker thing are trying to regulate cryptocurrency. So Coinbase have issued out what they think, and they've actually slammed the lawmakers for. I mean, what are you doing? And they made suggestions to them. Of course, Coinbase is a company now recognized in the United States. I mean, it has done its own IPO and the rest. So it's amazing. So let's see. Okay, Coinbase and Circle shift reserves for the world's second largest stablecoin, USDC. Okay, so I think that's basically it for the news today. Okay, so let's go to the chat and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, all right. So welcome to the Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, of course, really on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin has really done. I mean, it has really pulled back, and of course it came with volume. This pullback came with volume. We are not just seeing a small pullback, it came with volume. So of course this could be really indicative that, man, we might really see some downside. So but for me, if we are going to go down, at least, yeah, as long as we stay above 46k, 45k, I think we are good to go. But if we start breaking below 45k and break below 44k, then we might really have to, I mean, flip. Okay, so but for me, if Bitcoin goes to 47k, I will take out some profit on my altcoins. Okay, then I'll really watch and see what's gonna happen. I will take out some profit. But anything below 44k, I close all altcoin positions. Okay, so but of course, don't forget, Bitcoin can still go as low as 41k and will still be in the bull trend, because 41k is like where that strong point now. I mean, it is a strong. Look at here. I think somewhere here. Yeah, look at it. It's kind of. Let me take it to a daily time frame so we can see deeper. You can see that this 41k region here, around this region, is like a very strong region. So we breaking above the 41k region. If we break below it again, it means, man, guy, we are on for a ride to the downside. Okay, so but I really don't want to see that happen, and I'm really very optimistic that that's not happen, because the chart is still not even looking bearish at all. It's still very bullish. So all these small price changes should not really kill us. So it's still very bullish. So we just really want to see and watch what's going to play out. For me, once we get to 47k, I might take out some profit. Especially if the altcoins I bought are beginning to shake and I see their chart, I'll take out some profit. Then anything below 44k, I'll close all altcoin position and watch. Alright guys, so that's it on Daily Crypto Paul for today. Thank you so much. God bless you and thank you. Alright guys, so that's it on Daily Crypto Paul for today. Thank you so much. God bless you and see you tomorrow. Okay, remember, as always, don't get wrecked. Bye bye.